In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook for Salesforce. This process is straightforward and ensures your email communications with clients and colleagues are seamlessly integrated into Salesforce, enhancing your productivity and keeping your workflow efficient. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to your Outlook mail. As you log in, make sure you're using an account that has administrative privileges, since we'll be making configuration changes. Once you're in the Outlook interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll notice the Apps icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of functionalities that Outlook offers, allowing you to customize your email experience with various integrations and add-ins. Now look for the Get Add-ins option, which should be prominently displayed in the menu that drops down. Click on it. This section is where you can find and install additional features to enhance your Outlook's capabilities. It's much like visiting an app store, but specifically for your Outlook environment. With the Add-ins panel open, locate the search bar. This search function is a powerful tool that helps you pinpoint exactly what you need out of a large selection of add-ins. Type Salesforce into the search bar and press Enter. The system will quickly bring up a list of results related to your query, highlighting the Salesforce add-in you're interested in. Now, let's go a little deeper into why Salesforce is vital for your organization. Salesforce is a leading customer relationship management (CRM) platform. It's designed to help businesses manage customer information and interactions efficiently, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction and more effective sales processes. Integrating this into your Outlook allows for seamless data flow between your emails and Salesforce, reducing data entry tasks and improving real-time access to sales information. Once you see the Salesforce result in the list, click on the name to bring up more details about the add-in. This is where you can review what the Salesforce add-in does, ensuring this is the right tool for your needs. Finally, hit the Add button. This will initiate the installation process. It might take a few seconds, so be patient while it configures itself. Once the process completes, you'll have successfully added Salesforce to your Outlook. You can now enjoy a more integrated communication experience, helping you keep all crucial client data conveniently accessible and up-to-date directly from your email account. Congratulations, you've just made a significant enhancement to your productivity toolkit. Should you ever need to configure or explore more options for this integration, you can always return to the Add-ins menu to make those adjustments. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.